Namaste, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Dream Earth Tours. Today, we're diving into the enchanting realm of summer destinations in India. Whether you're seeking cool mountain retreats or exploring cultural hotspots, we've got you covered. Let's embark on a journey to discover the top 10 places to visit in India during the summer. Number 1. Shimla, the Queen of Hills. Our adventure begins in the charming Shimla, the Queen of Hills. With its colonial architecture, bustling Mall Road, and the refreshing breeze, Shimla is a perfect escape from the summer heat. Number 2. Manali, adventure and tranquility. Next on our list is Manali, where adventure meets tranquility. From paragliding and skiing to the serene landscapes of Rohtang Pass, Manali offers a perfect blend of excitement and relaxation. Number 3. Rishikesh, yoga capital on the Ganges. Experience the spiritual vibes of Rishikesh, the yoga capital on the Ganges. Attend the mesmerizing Ganga Aarti and rejuvenate your soul with yoga by the holy river. Number 4. Darjeeling tea gardens and Himalayan views. Head to Darjeeling for a unique journey on the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Explore the lush tea gardens and soak in the panoramic views of the Himalayas. Number 5. Ladakh, the land of high passes. For those seeking a high-altitude adventure, Ladakh is calling. Explore the mesmerizing Pangong Lake, Nubra Valley, and the serene monasteries of this mystical land. Number 6. Uti, the Queen of the Nilgiris. Escape to the Queen of the Nilgiris, Uti. Hop on the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, stroll through botanical gardens, and unwind by the serene Uti Lake. Number 7. Munnar, blissful tea plantations. Discover the lush greenery of Munnar, surrounded by blissful tea plantations. Explore the rich biodiversity of Aravikulum National Park and enjoy the tranquility of Matupeti Dam. Number 8. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, tropical paradise. Escape to the tropical paradise of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Relax on Radhanagar Beach, explore the historical cellular jail, and dive into the vibrant coral reefs. Number 9. Cork, Scotland of India. Experience the Scotland of India, Cork. Witness the beauty of Abbey Falls, tour the lush coffee plantations, and find peace at the Namdroling Monastery. Number 10. Mahabaleshwar Hill Station Retreat. Lastly, indulge in the Hill Station Retreat of Mahabaleshwar. Explore the scenic Mapro Garden, cruise along Vena Lake, and catch the sunrise at Wilson Point. And there you have it, our top 10 picks for the best summer destinations in India. Whether you're seeking adventure, spirituality, or simply a retreat from the heat, India has something for every traveler. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy exploring.